Hey guys, Matt here, one of your associate instructors for With You With Me, and today I just wanted to make a quick video on Splunk, just to give an overview of what Splunk is and what it's used for, how we can go about downloading our own version of Splunk to our local machine, and how we can gain access to Splunk's free training resources. So to give you a bit of an overview, Splunk captures, indexes and correlates real-time data in a searchable repository from which it can generate graphs, reports, alerts, dashboards, and visualizations. Splunk makes machine data accessible across an organization by identifying data patterns, providing metrics, diagnosing problems, and providing intelligence for business operations. Splunk is a technology used for application management, security and compliance, as well as business and web analytics. So it's quite a versatile technology, and it's something that I use on a day-to-day basis when it comes to security and compliance. So before we jump in on how we go about downloading it, I just wanted to make you aware that to date, Splunk is utilized by roughly 15,000 companies across the globe. And as you can see here, it's trusted by 92 of the Fortune 100. So it's quite a relevant technology, and it's definitely worth learning in this day and age. Right, so to get started, we simply type Splunk into our search bar, and we should be presented with a download Splunk Enterprise for free link. Should be directed to this web page where we can see we've got a few different tabs up the top to view and explore. But to gain access to it, we will need to register. So once we go ahead and fill in our details and we agree with the terms and services, we simply click create your account, and you should be redirected to a page like this. Now, because I'm utilizing a Windows operating system, I'll be clicking the top link, which is 64-bit. So we simply click download now. This may take a little bit of time. If you're running on Mac OS, it'll be the same thing. We simply click Mac OS and then click download now. As you can see, we've got a couple little tutorial videos here on how to gain access to it. But while that's downloading, we're going to open up a new page under the training tab. And you can see here, this brings us to, because we're logged in, training and certification. So you can see here we've got free courses, an overview, free Splunk Fundamentals 1, infrastructure, user behavior, analytics, and Signal FX. So what we want to do is click on the Splunk Fundamentals 1. We can go ahead and download a course description. However, the topics covered are down here. Now, Fundamentals 1 is the beginning. This is where you'll learn how to download Splunk, even though we've just gone through it, how to get data into Splunk, and how to start searching within Splunk, and then transform those data points into visualizations and correlate searches to, billions of events to a single event that caused something to occur. We simply click register. We're redirected. It's free, which is great. I'll click this, and then we simply click register. Now, I've already done Fundamentals 1 and 2, so there's no need for me to go ahead and register, but we can see that that's where we go. Now, our download is completed, so we're going to open that. I'll just drag that across. We accept. So here we need to specify a username and password. Let's just call it Matt. Pete. Password. We do want to create a shortcut. Now this can take some time. Right, so we can see here that it's finished. We simply click finish. We're going to launch the browser. And as you can see, we're brought to this. Simply put in our username and password, and we have it up and running. Ignore that. Go ahead and read that if we need to. Ignore that for now. So right now, as it stands, we have no data in here. So for the first time using it, I suggest you continue the tour. From here, I strongly encourage that you enroll yourself in the Splunk Fundamentals 1 training. This should roughly take you between 4 to 8 hours, and you have 30 days to complete the training. I'd encourage that you do get it done within the 30 days, as you will lose access to it, and it's quite a challenge to get your access granted again to be able to complete it. So I do encourage you to complete that within 30 days. The training isn't challenging. It's a great introductory to Splunk. It gives you an idea of how it can be utilized. While the training itself isn't particularly security related, it's quite easy to transfer what you do in the training into a security sense. We'll close the video out there. Look, if you have any further questions or queries, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one.